Hey, what up? What up? What up, Z? What up? Let's keep it going. So when you learn how to drive, your life is going to change. You're going to be able to help your family. You're going to be able to get a job. Okay, there used to be a while that I had to walk about a half mile, but I didn't have a car. Now I got a car. Now I got my license. I can drive to downtown. I can drive out to the suburbs. I can go work, feel good about myself. Self-esteem is like glowing. I feel so good about myself. You feel me? And when you work and when you drive, you feel independent. Driving does not make you an adult. I'm gonna say it again, fam. Driving does not make you an adult. How you treat people in their community, what you do on social media. This platform is wonderful. They really invest time in content creators. If you're making good content, they will see it and they will help you get better. I always wanted to get better. My daughter said, Dad, you need to work on your content. You need to make it better. I listened to her. And then this platform saw and said, hey, there's an opportunity. So if you are on the platform long enough and you really get passionate, I'm passionate about driver's education. You see, bruh, where the dog at? You gotta be passionate about what you do. And if you're passionate about what you do, it's not really work, right? Let's keep going. You gotta establish reference points to the center of the lane, to the left side of the lane, to the right of the lane. Hey, what up? How you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? How you doing, eh? Hey, yes, how are you? Are you clicking that heart? Are you clicking that like? Are you clicking this diamond? I'm here putting in work for you. I need 2 more. What up, right? Thank you. She ready? She ready? I listen to you too. I see your post. I see what you like. So the way the algorithm sets up, it matches like people. If you like dogs, I like dogs. If you like cars, I like cars. If you like basketballs, I like basketballs, right? We are here growing and we are here elevating. And I firmly believe and love the community. You see? Let's keep this thing going. Press that like, press that heart. What's up, Samantha? How you doing? Boop, 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 boop. Let's keep it going. Next, entering the roadway. You gotta look left, you gotta look right. Don't pull out, hey, how are you? What's up, Em? What's going on? You doing good? Thank you for the hearts, thank you for the likes, thank you for being all those wonderful things. Drop a heart, drop a like, drop a comment, answer a question. I'm very social. I love the platform. This has made me a better content creator, a better social media person, a better driving teacher, because I have questions. You guys put questions out, and I try to answer them. Come on, put your question in. How do you apply the brakes and stop? You want to squeeze with the ball of your foot. Don't hit it real hard, because if you hit it real hard, upset the balance of the car. Slow down very gradually. Take your time. Your instructor wants you to be safe. You've got to listen to your instructor. When you first start in class, sit up front. Come early. Ask questions. I love questions from my students. I love your questions. Let's keep this live going. We're at 3K. Let's get it hyped. Let's show the algorithm, wow, this content creator is serious. He's hyped. I enjoy him. Let's keep it going. Next, how do you back up? You put it in reverse. I have my driver test next week. Watch my videos. You should already be following me, Z, because I'm gonna go through road test prep. How do you parallel park? How do you make the perfect left turn? How do you go through a roundabout, okay? How do you go through and merge on the expressway? I go through those things. It is easy for some people, but it's hard for others. So I want you all to know this. Some people have very difficult anxiety. They've been through trauma. They need special coaching, special teaching. I have that certification. And you've seen me help people along the way. You see me from the beginning of my journey up to now. You see me taking time when I go live. I make sure my camera's good. I'm making sure I'm looking crispy. Got the crispy red button down on. Right, got the nice Ray-Bans on. Got the hair looking good. I know you see them waves coming in, baby. I know you see them waves coming in, right? Yes, but I want you all to know that I care, that I want you to grow. And if you follow my tutorials, I explain everything. Every content creator is different. I'm different, right? So start out slow, practice your maneuverability. You should be able to pull in your driveway, back out. You should be able to make 5 right turns, 5 left turns in your neighborhood. You should be able to make a left turn on the main thoroughfare. Thank you for the glitter. Let's step up the glitter. I need 8 more little smiley faces, right? Help me finish the goal. I'm here early to represent the community. And I'm not worried about how many likes. I'm not worried about this. If you see value, right, send those gifts. That's right, she ready? She ready? If I can send you a reverse gift, boop, 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 boop. She ready? I would send you a reverse gift too, because I can tell you care. And a lot of you are on here, you say you care, you say you like this, but she ready, I follow her back. And I look at her post. I look at her comments. And I know it's of value, because sometimes on social media, we go on just to laugh. We go on to learn, right? I go on this platform to learn about car sales. I love the 2 guys that sell Teslas. Another guy sells really high-end sports cars. I love those guys. I love to learn about social media. I love to learn about driver's ed. So this platform has a little bit for everyone. Hey, let's get 4K. I'm at 3.2K. Let's keep going. I have 20 minutes. Let's keep going. She ready? And she ready? I'm gonna give you some of that love too, some of those likes, some of those comments, because I believe in you. Real talk. Let's keep going. Securing the vehicle. You wanna shut off the car. You wanna put all valuables, your glasses case, your phone, take everything out, put it up. You wanna be safe when you get, she ready? Do you drive? If you need lessons, I got you. Operate the vehicle, gear shift, reverse, drive, neutral, 2, 1. Put your questions in. I'm at 2 out of 8. Little bitty smiling faces. Help me reach that goal. What's up, Y? What's up, A? Now, let's talk about drive 2. Moderate speed, traffic light safety, rural roads. You need to establish reference points. You don't want to be driving off the road to the left. That scares us. You don't want to drive off the road to the right. That scares us. I need you to be safe. Thank you, A. Thank you for the glitter. Let's keep it coming. Let's go community going, right? Next, you want to enter the roadway from the curb. You should be able to turn on your blinker, look over your shoulder, and merge out safely, under control. That shows the instructor, wow, this student's really smart. They're doing a great job, and I need you. And she ready? Follow, she ready. Follow, she ready. She ready. When you give, you receive. Follow, she ready. Why are we playing? Follow, she ready. Next, I need you to complete the right turn and left turn based on the traffic light. Don't overturn, don't underturn. Turn your wheel out when your car is out of the turn. Let's keep going. You know I'm ready. Got that water here. How you guys doing? Did you do something nice for your dad? If you did, tap that like, tap that heart. If you did something nice for your dad. She ready? My dad is going too, but you know what? His spirit is here with me right now, because I'm daddy. I look like my daddy. And that's a beautiful thing, because I want to carry on the tradition. We need to be proud of our noses, our lips, our hair, our culture. We need to be proud, and that's real, right? So many times we go through life not having self-confidence. This platform has given me self-confidence. I'm gonna give a prayer to your dad too. Amen. Thank you, Z. I appreciate you, 100%, real talk. She ready? If you wanna join my live, pop in. You can say hi, you can get support, right? Because I believe in you. I believe in you. Real talk. Let's keep it going. Next, determine the time and space for gaps. When you're making a left turn, you don't want to turn in front of cars. You want to have space. When you make a right turn, you want to turn smoothly. If you turn too early, you're going to hit the curb. Minus, if you turn too wide, you're going to go wrong lane. Thank you for the hearts. Thank you.